All right. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back Alex. It's been a long time since he has been here. Let's give him a big round of applause.
I'm excited, real excited. Normally, when Alex was making cooking videos, I was just like videotaping and
Sitting in the background?
Yeah, sitting in the background because I couldn't eat them. Now I can eat them. Holy let me practice speaking again.
You're always doing
I know,
this.
I always forget to speak in your videos. I was in the background of her previous videos because I couldn't eat because I was doing a bodybuilding show. Now I'm out of that, now I can eat again, and I'm really excited to make some dank ass recipes.
Boyfriend Alex is back. Today we're going to be making high protein little cheesecake cups and I'm really excited for it. I don't know if I've ever made like a protein cheesecake except for like one time and it didn't work out that well.
Yeah.
But these ones look legit. So we have all the recipe ingredients right here.
Yeah, I'm excited. Personally, I'm a for cheesecake.
Oh,
I don't know if I could say that. And also I decided to match Alice.
The macros for this recipe, approximately 104 calories per cup and 7 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, and 14 grams of protein. Let's go!
That was pretty good.
Did
that was good vocals. Should I try? Not today.
We're gonna start off with our 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, half cup
cream cheese, 1 whole egg.
Whoa! Half teaspoon of vanilla extract, squeeze half a lemon, and I'm gonna roll this lemon out to get it squeezy and juicy.
Pretty much this whole prep, I've just been watching like If It Fits Your Macro diet plans, and there's like so many things that I've been eating and just trying out since my show. Feel like I know a lot right now. I could pretty much open up my whole damn restaurant.
You could take over this whole video if you wanted to.
Could you imagine? I just post a video on your page. You're not even featured in it.
Okay. You heard it here first.
Here, let me show you how it's done. That's a gentleman's forearm.
You're gross when you do it. Your whole hand is getting in there too.
That's how you know it's good though.
Hand flavored cheesecake cups.
You want to lick? Straight lemon.
Just a little zestiness. Look how good that looks for
We need the cheese
what it is.
and the cake.
All right, what's the next step?
I don't know. But side note, this may also be pretty controversial. I personally hate Cheesecake Factory.
Alex.
Really overpriced, not that good of food. Also, I have a theory. If a place serves everything, it could be good at most things, but not great at any of them.
We're gonna get 5 of these half tablespoons. And there we go. Next we need salt. Just gonna.
That's good. Ooh,
That's a lot, but that's okay.
that was a lot more than one. Now we got the protein powder. Best protein powder in the world. My Protein.
My protein.
If you want to get some, you could either use the code BAZ to support me or the code pineapple to support her. Or if you like both of us, maybe put in 2 separate orders, support both of us, whatever. They have good stuff, want to check it out, check it out, link below.
Next, we're just gonna whisk this all together. Okay, next you're gonna need a muffin tin pan and some baking cups. Could you stop doing that now?
Dude, my OCD is driving me nuts with how these are separated. Hold on, let me fix them. Alice, I swear to God, I'm going to be in this video and everyone's going to be like, oh my God, where the has he been? He is literally carrying this whole video on his back. And I'm going to be like, yeah, dude, my back's so damn sore from carrying all these cooking videos. And then you're going to be like, hey, Alex, I know you said this is the last one, but can you please be in the next one? Because you're so good at them. And I'll be like, I don't know what's in it for me. 3/4 cups raspberries.
Are you gonna do the cooking then?
No, I'm sorry.
looking?
I just want to do the raspberry part.
Anyway, we're gonna just whoop bang. And I'm not gonna measure this, I'm just gonna whoop bang. It's just sauteing.
Sauteing. You should use that one over there.
What?
The one in there. Yeah. You're close. No, not that one.
This one?
No, that one sucks. I don't know what that one's used for. That one.
So we're just gonna try to make a little like jelly for the top.
We're going to mush it up, get it a little hot, and then put them on top of the cheesecake cups. Then put those in the oven, and then put those in the fridge, and then put those in our mouth.
Jesus.
Damn,
So
if I didn't know any better, I would think this is damn caviar.
Oh. Fish eggs?
Actually, I don't even know if
Caviar's
I think
black.
caviar is black, yeah. It looks like salmon roe.
Hopefully it like thickens up a little bit, but
Amen.
thank you. What are we doing after this?
I don't know, we're going to eat this, then we're going to work out, then we got to record some working outs, and then maybe we go on a date tonight.
Yeah.
All right, now we wait for the oven to preheat. Once it's preheated, we're going to put these boys in there for 22 minutes. Then once 22 minutes comes, we're going to take it out. Step-by-step tutorials here. That's all we offer, step by step.
All right, we're back. Cancel. Ooh,
Golly.
golly.
I bet you want some.
All right, I'm just gonna spoon the
Yeah.
topping on there.
All right, let's spoon this up. Yeah, this is looking really good, Alice. I wonder if it is going to be more like a cupcake though, or more like a cheesecake.
I think it'll be like a cheesecake. I'm just gonna spread this around now.
I have cereal here, Czech cereal. You could use like graham crackers, granola, whatever. Just crumble it up, put it on top.
Ooh, that looks good. Jeez. I think we should let it cool a little bit,
Yeah.
but look how good it looks.
Let's get a real close-up cut.
Feels solid like a cheesecake.
Yeah, it sounded like a damn cheesecake. Ooh,
Wow.
it even looks like a cheesecake. Damn, I'm excited for this one. Look at that. Gooey, creamy, moist, all the criterias for a cheesecake. Damn, these actually look good. All right, cheers.
I overdid it with the salt.
Yeah, it's a little dry too. I would say,
It's really sour too.
yeah, a lot of lemon. I'm still going to eat all of them. I think it's really good. But a lot of times when you do like recipes like this, it's either like, what the was that? I'll never make that again. Or that was way better than I expected. Or it's kind of like right in the middle. A lot of them kind of fall like right in the middle. It's like kind of makes sense that this tastes the way it does because a real cheesecake is like 20 times more calories than this. But
Yeah.
I still think it's good. Maybe if we like redid it.
I think I would use more sweetener next
Yeah.
time.
Maybe even like a stevia or something.
Yeah.
I also think if we just kept it in the freezer for a little longer or the fridge, it would taste better, but I like it. Would you make this again?
Yeah, but I would make it different. Too salty,
Yeah. What about the lemon?
too lemony. I don't know, some recipes just need sugar in them.
Yeah. I'd rather just eat a real cheesecake.
Kinda good though.
They're not bad. I definitely think with a few modifications, they could be like A1.
But even after eating that one, I was like, kinda wanna eat more.
Yeah, I want to eat another one for sure. Let's freeze them a little bit longer.
Okay.
But they're good. Damn, now I kind of feel like my thoughts on them are kind of changing. Now I'm thinking if we did like those 2 modifications, how much better they would taste.
Yeah.
And if they were just frozen a little longer, you know what? These are good. Everything that I just said, I'll definitely make these again. One of my downfalls is I'm just a really hard critic, and sometimes I speak too soon. Today was one of them.
Jeez. Hard critic, even on himself too.
Yeah.
So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Try out this recipe, but use more maple syrup and less salt.
And maybe a little less lemon.
Yeah, some less lemon too.
We use a
We
giant
really
lemon.
squeezed that boy.
Yeah. Well, I felt like the lemon we got was like this big, where everyone else's lemons are like this. So
That's true.
please like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.
Tell your grandma to watch it.
Yeah. Tell family.
Tell your grandma to
Like-
make this for you. Just
Dude,
kidding.
that would be awesome. I don't even think my grandma knows what cheesecake is.
She does.
See
She's
you
eaten
guys.
it before.